Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve question number 10 and 11 exercise 10.1. Question number 10 is given that prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Supplementary means any two angles whose sum are 180 degree. Clear? This means the sum of any two angles is equal to the 180 degree. First we draw a diagram from the given information. This is the circle with center O and two tangents A, B and AC are drawn. Clear? And this is the radius of the circle. So it will be 90 degree and this will be also equal to the 90 degree. We have to find this and this. 1, 2. Given AB and AC are two tangents are drawn from same external point A. We have to find angle 1 plus angle 2, that means is equal to 180 degree. That means angle BAC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Proof. Angle ABO and angle ACO is equal to 190 degree because angle between tangents and radius. Clear? So in quadrilateral ABOC, angle ABO plus angle ACO plus angle BOC plus angle BAC is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So we put these value. Angle ABO is equal to 90 degree. So we put 90 degree plus ACO is equal to 90 degree plus angle BOC is unknown. So we put angle BOC plus angle BAC. BAC is unknown, so we put BAC is equal to 360 degree. This will be 180 degree plus angle BOC plus angle BAC is equal to 360 degree. Angle BOC and angle BAC is equal to 360 degree, and this will be transferred from left to right and becomes minus. So angle BOC plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. So these angles are supplementary. Proved. Clear? Now we have to solve question number 11. Question number 11. First we draw a diagram with given information. Let me suppose this is the parallelogram. And this is the circle. Let ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS is the point at which touch circles. Given ABCD is a circle with center O. With center O. Clear? We have to find ABCD is the rhombus. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Construction. In figure, B join P to O and R, C and S, and this is also joined from point C, D and this. Clear? This is center point O. Clear? Construction. B join point O with P, Q, R, S and A, B, C, D. Proof. ABCD is a sorry ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is parallel to CD and AB equal to CD, comma BC parallel to AD and BC is equal to the AD. It is given. Clear? Proof. In figure, we have two angle triangle CRO. This will be 90 degree because angle between radius and tangent. This is also equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree and this is also equal to 90 degree. 90 and this is 90. This is equal to 90 degree. This is also equal to 90 degree. Clear? In a right angle triangle CRO, ORC and right angle triangle CQO, CR is equal to the CQ, tangent from same external point. This is equation number first. And angle CRO equal to CQO is equal to 90 degree. Angle CRO equal to angle CQO is equal to 90 degree. Tangent and angle between tangent and radius. Clear? And CR is equal to the CQ. CR is equal to the CQ. Tangent from same point. And OR equal to OQ. OR equal to OQ. Radius of the same circle. Clear? Again. So triangle ORC will be congruent to CQO by RHS. So we can say that by mistake. Now we have to prove that AB is equal to this and this, not need this. Proof. From point P, AP is equal to the AS. We use the length of the tangent from an external point is equal. So we have to this equation number first. Tangent from same point. Again BP equal to BQ. This is equation number second. Region is same. And CR equal to CQ. This is the third. Region will be same. And BP, BQ, CR, DR is equal to DS. This is the equation fourth. DR at point D, DR is equal to DS. Equation number 4. Region will be same. So from equation first plus second plus third plus fourth, we have to AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. AP plus BP is equal to AB. AP plus BP is equal to the AB, and CR plus DR. CR plus DR is equal to CR. CD is equal to AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. AB plus CD is equal to AS plus DS. AS plus DS. This will be AS plus DS is equal to AD. So we put AD plus BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is equal to the BC. But AB plus CD is also equal to the AB. So we put in place of CD, AB is equal to AD plus BC is equal to the AD. So we put in place of BC, AD. 2 times of AB is equal to 2 times of AD. 2 will be cancelled out and becomes AB is equal to AD. This 2 will be transferred and becomes divided. Clear? This is equation number third. And let me suppose this is first, this is second. From equation number first, second and third. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Third, fourth plus fifth plus sixth. We have to AB is equal to the CD. AB is equal to the CD, and AB is also equal to the AD, and AD is equal to the BC. So we can say that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So quadrilateral AB CD will be rhombus. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.